Hey guys, welcome back to your best lesson. So today's video, I'll be giving you these two best praise exercise you should know and you should practice very well, okay? So I'll be breaking the video into two, okay? So guys, let's check out the first video and let's try and break that down, okay?
To you, the Lord our God, on our knees we bow. To you, the Lord our God, on our knees. Oh, we praise your name. We praise your name. Oh, we praise your name. To the Lord our God, on our knees. Yeah, yeah. To you, the Lord our God.
So that was the baseline for me. I started as an exercise when I wanted to learn how to play praises, okay? And I'll break it down for you. And you can also see that you can also apply it into a song, like a praise song, okay? We'll get to that. So I played the exercise on key F, okay? It's very simple. So it goes like this. Let me show you how it is before I bring in the progression. Okay, there are many ways you can play it, but I'll break it down for you. So, on your root, that is your do. Then you play your so. Your little finger plays your so. And your little finger same plays your do. That is your octave. So if you're a beginner and you are not familiar with this, you are new to this, take it slowly. Because at the start, it will be so confusing. You won't be able to it will be so hard for you. But if you take it slowly, I'm on my do. You see? So now on my re, the same process. Fa. So. And your mi. Okay, so get a metronome, okay, so that you can do it slowly, then you rise it up, then you go fastly, okay? Okay, you understand? So the second way you can play it is when you play your root notes, you pluck it once, and the so, you pluck it twice. You see the two differences. The first one goes like this. The second one, fa, so, do, la, re. You get it? So practice these two. Practice the first one before you get into the second one, okay? And make sure that don't be confused when you are using your plucking area. That is when you are plucking, okay? Just take it slowly. Okay, so now let's jump into the second exercise and let's see how it goes.
You, the Lord our God, on our knees we bow. To you, the Lord our God, on our knees. Oh, we praise your name. We praise your name. Oh, we praise your name. To the Lord our God, on our knees. Yeah, yeah. To the Lord.
Okay, so now let's break that exercise down. It's the same key F, okay? But that exercise, it's a little bit tricky, especially if you're a beginner. It comes with different techniques, okay? And these techniques also help in praise or even when you're even playing licks, You understand, okay? So I just use the song as an example to let you understand. You can also learn this and also apply it in some praises, okay? So it goes like this. Okay. When you are playing it for the first time, it will be very, very hard. But when you keep on practicing it, it will be like becoming so simple for you. So the main thing you need to focus on is, let's say you are playing the root note. Because the do, you'll be playing like 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you continue. That's the tricky place. That's the tricky area. So I'm on my do, okay? On my do, re, to my re. Okay, so what you need to focus on in this exercise is how you should pluck very fast. And you should do it in all the progression. Something like on my la. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So on your do, 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 re, mi, do, your re. Re, 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 mi, fa, re, your mi. Okay, you can do it here. On your fa. So mi, 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 mi. So mi, 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 fa, so mi. On your fa. Fa, 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 so, la, fa. Your so, 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 la, ti, so. Your la. Okay, so take time and practice this very, very well. You can also use this in praises. So for an example, danasi, 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 danasi. You see, but you need to take time, and when you're using this kind of bass line in a song, you need to know exactly where to put this kind of bass line in that praises song, okay? So focus on the... Remember that you're going to pluck it 4 times. You understand? Because you'll be hearing this kind of bass line in some praises. Okay, it's a very good exercise you can start with. It will be hard when you're starting with this, but take time, use your metronome. La, re, so, la, your re, so, you understand? Take time and rehearse with this exercise, okay? It's the best. I use this when I started learning bass guitar. It's made my plucking speed more stable, more accurate, and it made me pluck faster when I'm always playing the praise, okay? So I know when you be learning it, you'll be feeling pains, especially if you're a beginner. You just keep on doing it, okay? Keep on doing the exercise, okay? So I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye for now.